What do I sell that's at least $1,000 each? So you're tired of your 9-to-5 and want to start your own agency, but you have no idea what to sell for at least $1,000? Stick around to find out. Hi, I'm Alex Berman. I'm a 7-figure agency owner, and you might know me as the cold email king. Selling gets easier when the buyers need the product. What every client looks for is more money and more clients. So you have to focus on selling services that can make your prospect money. A general rule of thumb is 10xing their investment. Here are some examples of things that you can sell that will 10x their investment. Marketing services, SEO, FB ads, Google ads, lead generation, social media marketing. Those are all examples. So now that we've covered a few of those examples, you'll see that the services are all highly competitive. So how do you sell those effectively? Introducing the no-brainer offer. This is an offer that's so good, they can't decline. And I'll give you some examples of no-brainer offers right now. 1, I'll develop a website that improves your conversion by 25%, and I'll be available to make all changes till we hit that number. Here's another. I'll increase your site traffic by 50% in 3 months. If we can't, I'll work for free till we get there. Another one, I'll manage ads for 30 days or until we get an ROI. And until that happens, no payment needed. After that happens, 30% commission on all profits. I'll write 3 newsletters for 50% commission. You don't make any sales, I don't get paid. You wanna make the offer so simple that they have to say yes on the first call. Then you build your portfolio, increase your price each time, and continue to go after clients that generate you more revenue and that you can generate more revenue for. And it's as simple as that. But that's also the exact level of quality of feedback that you're gonna get from a normal YouTube video like this. And I know it's frustrating, to the point where I know most people, maybe you want this as well. I know when I was first starting, I would love to have a daily action plan. I would love to know what I'm supposed to do every single day to actually make money with my agency. What day do I craft the offer? How much outreach do I do? How do I even get in front of clients? Simple as that. I wish someone could just send me a daily to-do list so that I don't have to think twice and procrastinate. That's why I created Agency Action Plan, a complete 10-week system for you to finally get your agency going. For 10 weeks, I will be your personal trainer, giving you plans on what to sell, how to sell it, how many outreach messages to do on which channels. And if you follow this plan by heart and give your best, I guarantee that you're gonna get at least 3 paying clients for $1,000 each, or I'll give you a full refund. Now is the time to start your agency. Join at agencyactionplan.com. I'll see you inside. Don't let another day go by with procrastination. It's time to start your agency. Head on over to agencyactionplan.com. It's time.